do you think of the snow, Tyler? Is it cool? Look at the snow out there.
Wow.
Look at the snow.
Wow.
There's going to be our sauna. Holly hasn't seen it yet. There's the hot tub. What do you think, buddy? Tyler, can you say hi to Holly? Tyler. Tyler, look at Mommy. Tyler, look at me. What are you doing? Tyler, what do you got there? Tyler, what you got? Look at Mommy. Tyler. What are you going to do when you fall? Look at me. Look at me. Ah! Are you silly? Tyler, can you say kitty? Where's the kitty? What's the kitty say? He's probably going to land to get him on his butt. I don't think you're supposed to ride in that choo-choo train. Did you see the snow? Look at it out there. It's snowing pretty good. Should we look out there again? People are beating against the... Stop it! You're gonna... Let's go out. Look out the front door. She really can't tell too much. Brr! It's cold. Come on, it's cold, isn't it? Brr! Let's go back inside. Okay, tell Holly bye-bye. Bye-bye, Holly. Say bye-bye.